Hello world, this is ML and I am back with another video blog, but this time I'll be doing an unboxing on two items today. First up will be the Rode Dynamic PodMic, and the second item will be the Professional Studio Headphones by Senal SMH-1000. Both items I purchased from B&H. The Rode Dynamic PodMic cost 99 bucks. The studio headphones cost $69.99. But if you buy it as a bundle, you'll get a discounted price. Before I proceed, this is not a sponsored video. I paid for the two items with my own money. Hey kids, don't play with knives, okay? The brand is Rode. It's a dynamic podcasting microphone. They call it a PodMic. And the features: internal pop filter, broadcast quality, a rugged build, and it comes with 2-year warranty. Here it is. The PodMic is a broadcast quality dynamic microphone designed for podcasting. It has a rich, balanced sound with an internal pop filter to minimize plosives and internal shock mounting to reduce vibration. The PodMic is optimized for use with the Rodecaster Pro integrated podcast production console, but will also offer exceptional results with any high quality microphone interface. It doesn't say where it's made. I guess on the inside it was saying. So here it is. Oh wow. Wow, I don't know what to say. I'm speechless. This is heavy. This is heavy, y'all. Solid. When I say solid, it feels like a gun. I don't want to talk about guns, but damn, this is solid. Metal right here. The knob is metal. The other side as well. The grill feels like steel or metal. This is where you lay this on the microphone stand or the arm. Is metal. Wow, look at that. It's beautiful. All right, so PodMic. Okay, this is made in Australia. Okay, I finally got something that's not made in China. So this is solid, man. So what it comes with it is just basically a quick start guide, which is a little manual here. I just love the way it's built. and that's it. That's the only thing. It comes with. It has looks like silica gel in a small manual. It teaches you, or it tells you how to connect it on the arm, and it shows you how you should place your face or your mouth. You know, um, you know. It says that this goes well with the Rodecaster Pro, which is beyond my budget, but one day I might get that. But right now I don't need it. You know, I just need a good mic. And I also bought the Zoom H6 recorder. I really want to upgrade my audio as far as vlogging concerned. Okay, but I'm going to get my weight, my scale, and weight how much this thing is. Started from 0. So my scale is telling me that it weighs 1 pound and 14.4 ounces. Okay, so it's pretty heavy. My final thought on this, I think this is an investment. I think this is built to last, and it's definitely looks professional. Okay, so I am happy with this item. I'm gonna put it in the box. Now, kids, once again, do not play with knives. Okay, so before I open it, once again, this is Senal SMH-1000 professional studio headphones. Okay, that's the website right there. It's removable cable, which is good. Benefit of that is just in case you accidentally pull the cable, it won't affect the whole entire headphone. Okay, replaceable ear cushions. That's also great, just in case the cushions on the headphones wear out. You could buy a replacement. Foldable design. That's great. Um, if you like to travel or you travel, you could bring this, and it doesn't occupy a lot of space because it's foldable. 10 feet coiled cable included, which is great. 3 feet straight cable included. A 1/4 inch gold plated adapter included. That's great. Okay, just marketing material here. Protective air bubble sheet. You have the user's guide. Your cable. So I'm guessing this is the 10 feet. Just a guess. And looks like a more cable. Okay. And the 1/4 inch gold plated adapter. or 1/4 adapter, and the headphones itself says studio monitor. So regular price on this is $69.99. It's plastic. I'm skeptical about that. This is plastic. It feels plastic. The design is okay. The cushion is okay. Cushion also on the inner part of the headphones. It's flexible. I'm gonna put it on my ear right now. It does go over my ear. It does minimize the outside noise a little bit, which is great. It's lightweight. The adjustable here is metal. I'm a little bit concerned about this wire here that's sticking out, but nevertheless, it's okay. It's okay. This item is okay. I'm not too thrilled about it. Let me see what's the sound. Let me see how's the sound. Unfortunately, I cannot play commercialized music. Okay, so definitely this is a studio headphones. You could definitely hear the detailed instruments. Let me see if this cable makes any difference. One thing I like about this, check this out. You see this detailed here? This is metal, meaning this won't come off as easily, you know. That I like, this part. Let me see where this headphones is made. Hey, there you go, guys. Made in the Philippines. There you go. Okay, so I'm in support of this product. Okay, so in the near future, I'll be starting a podcast. As of now, I don't know a name for the podcast, but I'll think of something. Honestly, I want to be able to interview people and document their thoughts and ideas. Yeah, so look out for that in the near future. And that was the unboxing of the Rode Dynamic PodMic and the Senal Studio headphones from B&H. If you like what I'm doing, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Any questions, leave it on the comment box. Thanks for watching. Hey bro, there's a summer sale going on. Check us out at www.dosos.clothing. You like this dad hat right for the summer? Check us out at www.dosos.clothing. Once again, this is ML from Kadir's.tv. Hello world. Bye, world. Peace.